Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess and I do a lot of fashion and beauty videos as well as lifestyle vlogs. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. And if you want, you can follow me on Instagram where I post more regularly and stories basically every day. So if you want to know what I'm up to, that's where you're going to get that info. Today I am so happy to partner with Burt's Bees again. We are doing a makeup look, like a new and updated 2021 makeup look, which I'm wearing right now. I'm going to walk you through all the products that I'm using, and I made sure to keep it as simple as possible but still like fun and a little bit different, because I feel like especially at the beginning of the year I have trouble getting myself motivated again after like having a little bit of a break at the end of December. So it's so easy for me just to roll out of bed and like eat breakfast, not change, not do like my face at all, and just like sit in front of the computer all day. So I've really made it one of my goals to like actually do my makeup and actually get changed, put on like a shirt that isn't necessarily a hoodie, and maybe even some jeans, which I promise you I'm wearing right now. I'll show you. See, I'm not wearing sweats. I'm very proud of myself because I've definitely filmed videos where I'm wearing sweats on the bottom half of my body when I'm doing these things, but today I am fully ready. And if you guys haven't heard of Burt's Bees before, they're actually a company that is committed to sourcing ingredients from nature that are really nourishing and revitalizing for the skin. So not only is their skincare line, which I talked about at the end of 2020, one of my favorites, but their makeup line has expanded so much over the years and has so many good products that you can like complete a really nice like glowy everyday makeup look like this. And their products all contain like really good ingredients that not only go really nicely on, but they're actually good for the skin. So it's like a win-win, and they're actually Leaping Bunny certified, and they use recycled materials for their packaging. So if you guys want to be more conscious about the products and brands that you're purchasing from in 2021, I definitely think Burt's Bees is a good brand to consider. So I'm going to walk you through how I got this look. Let's get started. Alright, so my skin is freshly washed and moisturized. So you can see I'm kind of dealing with some red spots around my like cheek area. So I am going to be like trying to neutralize that with the Burt's Bees Tinted Moisturizer. So I'm going to be mixing two colors. I usually do that just because I find that I usually sit between two shades. So I put a bit of each on the back of my palm. I'm going to mix them with a little brush so that I can really blend. So I'm going to just start with this, like on my cheek, the main areas, and then of course around my nose, and then really feather it out. And then I'll come in with a bigger smoothing brush to make sure that everything is as blended as possible. I'm going to bring it down the neck. Next up, we're going to be using the Burt's Bees eyeliner. I got it in two colors because I want to change things up a bit. I'm going to be using the green and then outlining with a little bit of the brown, kind of creating a fun new look that I haven't tried before, but nothing too dramatic that it looks too much for an everyday makeup look. So I'm starting off with the green. And now to go in with the brown. So this brown is a matte brown versus the green was a little bit sparkly. So I'm gonna put this closer to the waterline. Next, I'm gonna put on some mascara. This is the All-Aflutter mascara in the navy. It's a volumizing mascara. Next, I'm gonna use the blush with bamboo in it. I got them in two colors, one that's more of like a bronzy color, one's more of like a blushy color. I'm gonna start off with the Toasted Cinnamon, which is this one, to add like an all over glow. I'm gonna use the Bare Peach color as an actual blush. So I'm gonna use the leftover tinted moisturizer on the little brush just to clean it up a little bit, so buff it out. I always like to keep a buffing brush just in case I go a little too far sometimes with the pigment of the blush and the bronzer. I think I'm pretty happy with the result. I put a little bit more on my nose. And now for the lips, I'm gonna start off with the lip shimmer in Caramel. Then I'm gonna put on the lip shine. I really like how the lip shimmer actually has a nice like minty flavor to it. So this is actually in the color Spontaneity, which is also like a really nice neutral. I just like adding the gloss on top because it really smooths out any of like your lip cracks that the shimmer won't, because especially for me in the winter, I have a lot of lip cracks. I feel like this really does the trick to smooth everything out. And this is my new 2021 everyday makeup look. I really like how I got to play with different colors in the eyes without it being like in your face, like are you wearing like so much makeup? I think that eyeliner and mascara, changing up the colors to like slightly, is a really fun way of having fun with makeup and still feeling comfortable with wearing it, you know, to the grocery store at this point. So I'm really liking the navy mascara, and like the shot of green slash gold at this point is what it showed up like on my eyes. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm linking all the products and the shades that I used today in the description box as well. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you very soon.